G'day guys, today here we are with Chris from iStore. iStore is a great battery, some say the best on the market. Chris has come down to Brisbane today to extend an offer to Queensland Solar Lighting to get us on board, help ramp us up with the iStore sales, and it's a pleasure to have you here, Chris. What can you tell us about iStore, how it's been since the battery rebates rolled out? Fill me in a bit.
Mate, we've got some exciting things going on in Queensland. That's why I'm here. And in terms of the battery, we've got the safest one on the market. It's got a number of levels of support. I'm going to say 4 levels. So extra safe battery out there in the market. We've got a self-extinguishing pack in each module as well. So super safe. Our customers are going to be really happy with the safety aspect of them. What else can I say? They are the slimmest on the market. So very they aesthetically pleasing and durable. IP66 rated, so you can install them outdoors as well. So yeah, there's a lot of exciting things with the battery that we've got.
The one big thing I like about it is the integration with everything. And up here, everyone's got like pool pumps and everything. So what can it integrate with?
We have one app, and it controls whole home. So the Universe app is very easy to view live data. It's exciting to be able to see everything in your home in one place. You can have the inverter, the load, the battery, the EV charger, the pool pump,
Air cons?
everything.
Yeah.
There's some exciting things coming out soon. In terms of whole home electrification, having it under one roof with one monitoring device, the Universe app through iStore is amazing. Not only that, Kempy, but we are Aussie owned and operated. We have Australian support, tech support, so your customers are going to be really happy being looked after from an Australian business. Instant answers at the ready.
So where's your tech support based in? Because I'm dealing with some inverters now based in China, and they're now bouncing me to Philippines, and it's not good. Where's the tech support from iStore based at?
So we've got Jack Long, who's in Victoria.
Longy Long, mate. He's the number one dude of the whole industry. Long Dong.
He is very famous for tech support, so we're very lucky to have him. We've got Tiana and Reese and a few amazing others in WA. So yeah, it's really good for install as well if you've got commissioning, which is done instantly through the app as well. If you've got any issues with doing commissioning or just need answers quickly, WA, we're on the East Coast, right? So doing jobs in the late night is sometimes hard to get support, whereas we've got that team over in WA who can help out with that.
Yeah, man, because a lot of the older customers just want something that works, and that's where my other mates who are selling a lot of the iStore, they're saying, I say, it's just so, you really, it's how do I say, it's a quality, it's priced well, but it's quality, you know what I mean? And then he's like, yeah, but it just works for the older people, and like someone that just wants a solution with no headaches. Exactly. And that's what the iStore stands for when I think of it.
So also just to add, a few of our inverters have a industry-leading 250% oversizing capability, which means that you're generating a lot more power from your rooftop going into the battery. You're going to be able to get more
That's
yield.
Right. So you can put how many on a 5 kilowatt inverter?
So 12 kilowatts of PV. So 250% is on a 10 kilowatt house, you've got 25 kilowatts of power being generated. But the other good aspect is the battery also has the 100% depth of discharge, which means that you're going to get more yield out of that battery as well.
Yeah, because you can use the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's like the most unique product on the market, even more than like SIG Energy and that.
there's a lot of great benefits to the iStore product that a lot of people are now learning about. We obviously want to get that out into the market more. It's exciting because we also have an industry-leading warranty.
That's what I mean, getting back from when I thought. I was like, I knew like it was a premium. I was always marketed to me as a premium product, but the thing is I never understood what were the premium things about it.
Yeah.
And then now you say it, and then that's why it's worth what it's worth, because it does things that no other battery can do. You've also got the support there. Also, my mate says they go in seamlessly. They don't even need support, which is, and they're the problems that I said now. I'm getting bounced around from Australia, China, Philippines. No one knows anything. It's half the price, but nightmare. This stuff, man, this just works like a dream.
I could go into so many other things, you know.
Yeah.
The optimizers in each battery. They've got AI built into it, ARC.
And you got the fire suppression, just like the... see, that not many have that, man.
The AI ARC fault detection as well, so it mitigates faults even before they're about to happen.
Yeah.
So very safe and reliable.
And what type of stuff can the customer that likes to choose when and where they use their power and things like that?
It's all done through the app. Nice and easy setting. If you want to monitor, we also have simultaneous load balancing, so you can, if you want to have 10 kilowatts coming in from the roof, you can put 5 to the house or 5 to the battery, whatever it may be. You have control
from just a 5 kilowatt inverter
from the app. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's all done through the app, through a setting, nice and easy.
And what about in terms of backup? Do you have like a gateway or anything?
Do. Yep. Nice full backup.
Who needs a SIG Energy then when this is everything they got plus more plus Australian?
That's right. And as I said, the warranty, industry-leading warranty with 10 years labour and 12 years parts. It's 10 years for both with a 2 years extended warranty extra on for the parts aspect as well.
Yeah, right. The other thing about the SIG Energy, like they look a bit different when you break them in, when you break into them as, you know, something. You know, we can't comment too much on that, but you can go check that out. The internals of an iStore versus the internals of SIG Energy.
Well, you can with an iStore battery inverter, all of them are engineered almost to perfection. They've done some amazing work on these inverters, and I think it's testament having a battery and inverter brand with Huawei as a backup and support as the OEM manufacturer. We are very lucky to have the leading market share manufacturer globally.
Well, mate, old Luke Beattie, he told me all about iStore back in April at the Sydney show. He introduced that to Queensland Solar Lighting, and we're happy once again to this time come on board, man, and put some in. And now that, you know, we've had the dust settle around this whole, the battery, Better Home battery program rebate thing, it has been a bit chaotic and everything, but, and a lot of installs are feeling out what works, what doesn't. And for that reason, we're very happy as CEO, director, Alan Kempy, very proud to bring iStore on, man. And I know, now that's right, Jack Longy Long does work there. Mate, me and Jack go back a long way, man. So we've got VIP customer support at iStore once again, man. Love it. See that? It's all about networking. It's not what you sell, it is. It's how well you network and how well your relationship is as a solar retailer with the actual brands that you put on. So it's not like I've just rung up a wholesaler and said I want some iStore. This is a relationship. It's like a triangle, man.
That's it.
Chris, myself, and Jack Longy Long. Let's get it done.
Appreciate it, Kimpy.
Thanks, mate.